So let's now have a look on the entry patterns. We have already studied the structures. Now we need to see how the entry patterns are built up. As you know, I have taught you in the basic course what is a candle. How does the candle work? Now let me tell you how along with the candle entries we can take trades. Like here, if you remember, if you don't remember, go to the basic course again and look at the candlestick charts, candlestick patterns that I have created and the meaning of the candlesticks that I have explained psychologically as well. All right. So this is a bearish candle where the high is here, the candle opening is here, this is the complete body, this is where the candle closed, and this is where the candle came up to, it's the low, right? So this became the lower shadow. Same like that, we have the bullish candle with the high, with the close, with the body, with the open, and with the low, right? So there are 4 types of entries that are created with the candles. Very, very good entries, very excellent trades we get with these. First is pause and go entries. We'll study them. I will explain you all these. Then comes the wick rejection entries. After that, we have the momentum candle entries, and the last but not the least, the breakout and break back entries. Break back is really interesting. All right. So let's have a look on all these type of candlesticks that we have created in our next episode. If you don't understand, I'm telling you again, if you don't understand how and what is the logic of a single candle, watch my video from the basics again, so that the real meaning of candle is there in you, and you don't make a mistake after that. All right, let's move ahead. Let's learn first the pause and go entries. Now, what is a pause and go entry? Let me show you. It's quite easy. Let us suppose the market is, everybody is saying in the market that let's take an example of Bitcoin. Bitcoin is bullish. Bitcoin is bullish. So if Bitcoin is bullish, it is just moving up. How can we enter into something which is already moving up? Because when we need to enter from the down, right? From the cheapest price we can buy that product or buy that security at. So even then, if we know that the price is not going to stop anywhere, it will never come down to do a retest, and we will never get a trade opportunity, what we can do is we can do the pause and go entries. Check this out. The trend is completely bearish, market is coming down, but this is where the pause happened, right? Because the market, all the candles were red, the pause here, that the market stopped for some time, gave us an opportunity to enter into that trade, into that bearish trend. And this is what I did. We entered into that trade. We entered into that same place where the green candle was, where the pause happened, kept the high as the stop loss, and the extreme low, maybe 1:5 will be good, as our TP. Same thing applies on the bullish trade, but the market was completely moving up. We saw market pausing here in this red candle, right? The market paused in this red candle, and this pause actually gave us an opportunity to enter into this trade. So we can enter here also, or the market came down to test it again. We entered here, kept the low as the stop loss, extreme TP is TP, 1:5 bare minimum, right? Let's move ahead and check the next candlestick pattern, entry point. Okay, let's move ahead.